Teddy's tucked in nice and neat, blanket wrapped from head to feet. Whispers float like fairy wings as the sleepy owl softly sings. Stars peek in to say goodnight. Fireflies glow with tiny light. Time to dream and close each eye. Teddy sleeps and so will I. Moonlight drapes the room in peace, gentle lullabies that never cease. Little hands tucked away so tight, softly drifting to the night. Close your eyes, my sweet little one. The day is done, the night's begun. In your dreams let love take flight. Rest your head till morning light.